Hi friend, it's your girl, Coach Tiffany Hart. Welcome to another 15-minute walking workout. My hot tip for today is consistency. And if you have been watching me and you will be like, wait a minute, didn't you just say that was the word of the day a few workouts ago? I did, but guess what? Because it's so key. Consistency is so important. Some of you I know are super consistent and you get your workout in like every day. To be real, real talk. Okay, I have not been consistent and that's the problem. Let's get consistent together. So if you're not being consistent and I haven't been consistent, let's just do this together and let's get consistent. Okay. We're going to do this because one thing about it is all you have to I don't know what your goals are. Think about it. I know mine. I want to lose about 30 pounds. I'm going to get this back off. To do that, it is going to take some really serious consistency. I know what it takes. It's just about doing it. One thing that I love about the 15-minute walking workout is easy to just fit in the day somewhere. I like to get up early in the morning and like 15 minutes earlier and do it. I take that back, not early in the morning, but 15 minutes earlier and get that workout in. So try it. You got to see what works for you in the morning, maybe at lunchtime at work, get it in, or after work, see how it goes. But all right, just get it in. We got to consistently get this 15-minute walk in every day. All right, enough chit chat. Are you ready? Let's go. 4, 3, 2, 1. did it. You did another 15-minute walk and workout. How are you feeling? Fabulous, I hope. All right, we are on that road to consistency. I am loving it. I hope you're loving it. And I'll see you in the next workout. Peace. And remember to subscribe and all that stuff. All right.